To turn off suggested replays when receiving messages on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to disable suggest action and replace for notification option so that there will be no suggested replays when you receive a message. To do so, go to the setting menu, scroll down the screen to find notification, tap notification, and then tap advanced setting. Now tap the blue on off switch next to suggest action and replace for notification until the switch turns green to turn it off. When suggested replace is off and you receive a message, as you can see, your phone will no longer display suggested replace for the message. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.